Today we're going to check out the Gardena Aquazoom Oscillating Sprinkler with a built-in water timer. But first, let's check out the packaging. The sprinkler can water an approximate area of 3,900 square feet or 362 square meters. I like that the sprinklers have a couple of adjustment sliders, so I can set the spray pattern of the 18 nozzles. I don't have to worry about my neighbor getting upset when the water is spraying over the fence. And of course, the distance adjustment sliders, which is very common to sprinklers. And here's my favorite feature, the built-in timer. Now I don't have to worry about forgetting to turn off my sprinkler. And you can set this timer to a maximum of 120 minutes. It also comes with a 2-year warranty and a quick connect accessory. And underneath are more detailed information, connection, and maintenance instructions. Now let's unpack this and let's get it ready to water the lawn. And here's the quick connect accessory. And I highly recommend that you use this because it's going to make your life easy. And it's also leak free and UV resistant, which means it can stay under the sun for a very long time. I also want to quickly show you how the spraying pattern adjustment works. As you can see, as I move the lever up and down, you can see that the nozzles are moving left and right, which changes the width coverage of the sprinkler. One last thing that I want to show you is this center needle right here. You can remove this needle to clean the inside of the nozzles and also the holes of the nozzles, especially when you notice that the nozzles are not spraying water that much due to calcium buildup. Now let's head outside to water the lawn. First off, let's install the Quick Connect accessory. So the label says it's leak free, so let's test it out for any leaks. Alright, there's no leaks. Now it's time to connect the sprinkler. By the way, the sprinkler will not start spraying water until you activate the timer. Here we go. First change I have to make is to adjust the distance adjustment sliders, because there's a part where it's just watering the fence instead of the lawn. I don't know if you can see it, but I have to make adjustment on the spray pattern because some of the waters are just spraying over the fence. I believe you will have a much better view on how the sprinkler works if I stand on top of the deck. And it's amazing how you can make adjustments on this sprinkler and set it the best way to direct water. And with a built-in timer, I don't have to worry about forgetting to turn off my sprinkler. I actually waited for the timer to finish, and here's a clear proof that the timer actually works. So guys, this is the Gardena Aquazoom Oscillating Sprinkler with built-in water timer. Get yours today, and thanks for watching.